Why most people fail at financial goals and how you can succeed. Have you ever set a financial goal like saving for a big purchase or paying off debt, only to find yourself a few months later wondering why it didn't work out? You're not alone. Most of us have been there, setting goals but not hitting them. Today, we're diving into how to set financial goals that stick. Stick around until the end, and I'll share a simple tool to help you start your productivity and success journey. Let's kick things off by understanding why financial goals are so important. The truth is, financial goals act as a roadmap for your financial future. Without them, it's like driving without a map. You might get somewhere, but you don't know if you're on the right path. Setting clear and well thought out goals allows you to. Number 1. Stay focused. It helps you prioritize what really matters and eliminate distractions. Number 2. Measure progress. You'll know exactly where you are and whether you're on track. Number 3. Build motivation. When you achieve milestones, it boosts your confidence and drives you to keep going. But here's the problem. Most people fail at financial goals because they don't approach them the right way. It's easy to say, I want to save money, but without specifics, it's almost impossible to achieve. So let's dive into how we can fix that. First, let's discuss why financial goals often don't work out. I'm sure you've tried to save money or stick to a budget, only to see those plans fall apart. Some common mistakes include: Number 1. Vague goals. When you say, I want to save money, but don't specify how much or by when, you're setting yourself up for failure. Number 2. Lack of a plan. Without a clear plan of action, goals just become wishful thinking. It's like setting a destination without knowing how to get there. Number 3. Unrealistic expectations. Setting goals that are too ambitious or expecting overnight results can discourage you. Remember, small steps matter too. Now that we know why goals fail, let's dive into the 5 steps to setting financial goals that work. Step 1. Be specific and measurable. Start by making your goal clear and measurable. For example, instead of save money, say, save $5,000 for an emergency fund by the end of the year. This makes your goal tangible and gives you a clear target to aim for. Step 2. Break down your goals into smaller milestones. Large goals can feel overwhelming, so break them down. Let's say you want to save $5,000 in a year. Instead of focusing on the big number, set smaller goals, like saving $400 every month or $100 a week. Step 3. Set a timeline and track your progress. Establish deadlines and track your progress. Knowing when your goal should be completed will motivate you to stay on track. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your savings. Step 4. Make your goals realistic. Be honest about what you can achieve. If your goal is too complicated or unrealistic, it could backfire. Start with small, achievable milestones and gradually increase your target as you progress. Step 5. Accountability and consistency. Share your goals with someone who can hold you accountable. Whether it's a friend, family member, or financial advisor, having someone to check in with increases your chances of success. Also, consistency is key. Don't expect to hit your target in 1 month, but keep putting in the effort daily. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any future content on personal finance and productivity. Here's an extra tip that can transform your financial journey. Visualization. Picture yourself reaching your goal. How does it feel? What will your life look like when you've saved that money, paid off that debt, or built your wealth? This simple technique can reinforce your commitment and motivate you, especially when things feel tough. Alright, so to recap, when setting financial goals, make them specific, measurable, and achievable. Break them down into smaller steps, set a realistic timeline, and hold yourself accountable. Remember, it's about consistent action over time. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. Before we wrap up, I promise to share a tool with you that can really help. It's called Startup Toolkit, a productivity and success planner that allows you to set goals, overcome procrastination, and get personalized tips to keep you on track. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. I'd love to hear your financial goals. Drop them in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. See you next time.